In this video I'm going to show you how to change the cell height and width in Google Sheets. So as you can see, we have some rows over here and of course some columns. So what we will do, we will select the cells which we want to adjust the height of. So what you can do, you can hold your control button and then select the cells which you would like to increase the height of. Once you have selected the rows, then you can hold your control button again and then right click on it. As you can see, we can resize the selected rows. Now enter that and then we will specify the row height. Let's double it to 42. Once you have entered that, you can click on OK and the row height will be adjusted. The next step is of course to change the width of these cells, and we can do the same for the width. Now what we will do, we will select those and hold our control button again and select the columns. Now as you can see, the cells over here are selected now, and once we are right clicking our mouse button, then we can adjust the selected columns. Now resize them and then do the same for this one. Let's say we would like to double them to 200 and then click on OK. And as you can see, we have now doubled the row width in Google Sheets. And this is basically how you change the cell height and width in Google Sheets. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.